Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to take you through a realistic day in my life. Not a perfect day, not a highly productive day, just a real day. A day filled with responsibilities, love, chaos, little joys, and moments that often go unnoticed. As I go through my day, I want to ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered who takes care of mom? Because from the moment she wakes up, someone needs her, the kids, the family, the home, and yet somehow she keeps showing up every single day. So come along and spend a day with me. Most mornings begin before everyone else is fully awake. Before the day starts rushing by, I try to enjoy a few quiet moments, a cup of tea, fresh air, a few deep breaths, because once the house wakes up, the day moves quickly. Breakfast needs to be prepared, things need to be organized, the house needs attention, and there is always a mental checklist running in the background. As moms, we don't just manage tasks, we manage people, schedules, needs, emotions, and sometimes even the unexpected surprises that comes our way. It's a role that never truly switches off. Sometimes it feels like the work is never really finished. As soon as one task is completed, another one is waiting. Yet, somehow moms keep going. Not because they have to be perfect, but because they care deeply about the people they love. A home isn't just built with walls and furniture, it's built with efforts, with care, with the little things done every day. A lot of what moms do happens quietly. Meals appear on the table, the laundry gets folded, appointments are remembered, school projects gets completed, things magically seem to happen. But behind those little things is a lot of efforts, a lot of planning, care, love. But because that's what moms do. We keep things moving even on the days we are tired, even on the days we don't feel our best. One of the most beautiful parts of motherhood is most. Motherhood isn't just about raising children, it's about creating memories, building home filled with love, and being a safe place for the people who depend on you. Somewhere between all the responsibilities, I try to find a little time for myself. Maybe it's caring for my plants, working on an art project, creating something with my hands, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of tea. Because before being a mom, I am also a person, a woman with interest, dreams, creativity, and passion of my own. Taking care of myself isn't selfish, it's necessary. Because when I feel recharged, I can show up better for the people I love. People often ask me, how do you manage everything? The truth is, some days I don't. Some days are messy, some days don't go according to plan, and some days I'm just trying my best. It's about showing up every day with love, even when you are tired, even when nobody notices, even when you need a little care yourself. And I know I'm not alone. There are thousands of moms doing exactly the same thing every day. As the day slowly comes to an end, the house becomes quieter. Some tasks are finished, some can wait until tomorrow, and that's okay because perfection was never the goal. Love was, care was. So, if you are a mom watching this is your reminder. Take a few moments for yourself today. Take that walk you have been postponing. Spend time with your friends. Sit quietly for a few minutes and remind yourself that you matter too. Because taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary. And if you have a mom in your life, take a moment to appreciate her. because even the person who takes care of everyone needs someone to take care of her too. Notice the little things she does, the things that often go unseen, because sometimes a simple thank you means more than you realize. And before I end this video, there's one more person I want to thank: my mom. Thank you for your love, your sacrifices, and everything you have done for our family. And now that I'm walking a similar path, I realize just how strong you are truly. To every mom watching this, you are loved, appreciated, and stronger than you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, take care.